Um, Good morning. Do you give Augusta Acupuncture Clinic permission to use this video in multimedia marketing?
I do.
Fantastic. And what is your name?
Timothy Jones.
And where do you live?
Grovetown, Georgia.
And what were you seeking acupuncture for?
I had a partial knee replacement on my right knee. I have spinal stenosis in my neck, and I had an ACDF and low back pain.
Mm-hmm. And how has acupuncture helped you?
Since I received acupuncture, I'm actually able to move my neck even after the surgery. The surgery was not as successful as I had hoped it would be. But with the acupuncture, it actually allows me to move my neck pain-free for the most part. Low back, I can actually maneuver. I can do things around the house now that I couldn't do before. I was blessed to have my son come visit, so being able to play with him and be active with him with a 10-year-old was awesome.
Yeah. And how has acupuncture improved your quality of life?
Again, I'm just able to move more, do more things around the house, work out a little more. I had to stop working out, which is something I enjoy doing. But now I'm able to at least do some body movement exercises, banded exercises. I can't do the weights like I used to, but I am able to do something. So that makes me just feel better in general.
Great. And would you recommend Augusta Acupuncture Clinic?
Absolutely. Absolutely. If you have any kind of sleep issues, pain issues, digestive issues, I would highly suggest that you come and give it a try. The only thing, what's the worst that could happen? You'd be in the same place that you were before you started. So you have nothing to lose.
Fantastic. Thank you so much.
Thank you.